Starting around the 3rd of June 2023, AMP explicitly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.43% in most recent 60 minutes. Or so they fundamentally thought. AMP in a real sense has an all-out market cap of $108,194,952 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $5,024,836, which basically is very critical. This explicitly makes AMP most certainly positioning at 200 in the digital money market, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. On the off chance that you in every practical sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the AMP cost expectation end of 2023, what will AMP essentially be in every way that really matters, worth in 2023 in an unpretentious way? Is AMP a kind of wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023, really as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will AMP cost explicitly outperform its unsurpassed high, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking? These for the most part are our AMP cost expectations for AMP's future, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. AMP value expectation 2023 as per the AMP gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the AMP cost in a real sense is supposed to sort of cross a kind of normal value level of $0. The normal really least value worth of AMP toward the finish of the very current year ought to basically be $0, or so they in a real sense thought. Besides, AMP can arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $0 a really significant manner. AMP value conjecture June 2023. The really normal cost of AMP could essentially go to $0 the finish of June 2023. AMP could sort of exchange around a truly greatest worth of $0, the genuinely least expected cost of $0, which in a real sense is very critical. AMP value conjecture July 2023. Concerning July 2023, AMP basically is supposed to arrive at a truly least value worth of $0, showing how starting around the 3rd of June 2023 AMP explicitly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.43% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, or so they generally thought. The AMP cost could explicitly arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $0, the exceptionally normal cost around $0, showing that basically is AMP an excellent venture or in every practical sense, worth purchasing in 2023 in a kind of huge manner. AMP value conjecture August 2023. With respect to August 2023, AMP explicitly is supposed to essentially arrive at a genuinely least value worth of $0. So this really makes AMP for the most part positioning at 200 in the digital currency market, which is very critical. The AMP cost could in every practical sense arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0, the genuinely normal cost around $0 a quite huge manner. AMP value figure September 2023. The AMP conjecture for September 2023 expects that the AMP may basically arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0 and essentially least cost of around $0, which is genuinely critical. Discussing the kind of typical value AMP can fundamentally stretch around $0 September. AMP value forecast October 2023. The cost of AMP certainly is truly anticipated to reach at an extremely least worth of $0 October 2023, or so they generally thought. The AMP cost could arrive at an essentially most extreme worth of $0, the really normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023 in an unobtrusive manner. AMP value expectation November 2023. The cost for AMP in November 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. While the for the most part normal exchanging cost ought to in every practical sense be around $0, or so they truly thought. AMP value gauge December 2023. For December 2023, the cost of AMP really is by and large anticipated to by and large arrive at a genuinely normal cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a kind of limit of $0 and especially least of $0 in unobtrusive manner. AMP truly past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been for the most part diminished by 1.45% in its truly current worth in an unobtrusive manner. Assuming that we generally look at the really current market cap of the AMP with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap especially is likewise down in a significant manner. AMP sort of is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins, or so they in every practical sense thought. The AMP essentially is down to nearly 0.7% in the absolute most recent 7 days, by and large as opposed to mainstream thinking. The coin in a real sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for certainly past essentially couple of days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't basically feel that it would a beneficial resource in especially present moment, exhibiting that will AMP cost truly outperform its record-breaking high, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Inside the genuinely most recent 1 month, the cost of AMP certainly diminished by 35.946%, taking out an incredible sort of normal amount of $0 it's in every practical sense. Current worth, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. This unexpected down generally implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can essentially be a sort of great generally purchase and open door for certainly fast venture, which is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is near 47.60%, and the cost especially coursed from an exceptionally least truly normal cost of $0 greatest truly normal cost of $0 the beyond 90 days. So AMP value figure June 2023 the essentially normal cost of AMP could in a real sense go to $0 the finish of June 2023, extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. AMP really is somewhere near 17.61% with the very greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin by and large was around $0 the truly least certainly normal cost of in every practical sense was around $0 beyond 4 months, or so they generally thought. AMP value estimate 2023 FAQs what will sort of be AMP worth in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner. The AMP value sort of is guanched to by and large arrive at an in every way that really matters. Greatest degree of $0 pretty least cost of $0 the finish of 2023 in a genuinely huge manner. Does AMP explicitly have a future in an essentially significant manner? As far as value, AMP truly has an extraordinary sort of potential to arrive at new levels for the most part. That basically is figure that AMP will increment in esteem, which especially is genuinely huge, as per pretty unambiguous specialists and business examiners. AMP can truly raise a ruckus around town greatest cost of 11 cents till 2030, exhibiting that MP value conjecture July 2023. Concerning July 2023, AMP certainly is supposed to generally arrive at a very least value worth of $0, showing how starting around the 3rd of June 2023 AMP especially is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.43% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which essentially is genuinely critical. Is AMP truly worth purchasing in 2023? Essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking, AMP's worth generally is supposed to generally keep on growing, as lack will in general explicitly energize cost rise, fundamentally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Kindly note, there truly is a gamble to any venture, or so they truly thought. Just generally put resources into what you can explicitly achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the kind of most extreme exploration conceivable, showing how only sort of put resources into what you can truly achieve prior to arriving at any resolutions and lead the fundamentally greatest examination entirely conceivable in a quite enormous manner.